Hey everyone! Today we're talking about one of the most exciting things to photograph, fireworks. And this year is especially huge. It's the 250th birthday of the US, meaning massive displays are planned across the country. To get those perfect light trails, you want to keep your ISO low, ideally around 100 to minimize noise. Set your aperture between f8 and f11. This ensures your shots are sharp and the trails aren't too bright. A tripod is absolutely non-negotiable. Even the slightest shake will ruin your long exposure. Use a remote release and keep your shutter open for 2 to 4 seconds to capture the full burst. For total control, use bulb mode. This keeps the shutter open as long as you hold the remote, letting you capture multiple bursts in a single shot, even up to 10 seconds. Get your gear ready for the big night and happy shooting. I can't wait to see your results.